Hello everyone. Today we will learn three different ways to calculate square roots in Excel. Whether you're a student tackling math problems or a professional working on data analysis, knowing these methods can greatly enhance your Excel skills. First method is using SQRT function, which is most straightforward method to find a square root. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Type equal to SQRT in the bracket followed by the number or the cell reference. Then press enter. The square root is calculated instantly. This you can drag it down. Method 2 is using power function. It is a versatile tool for any exponential needs. So type equal to power within the bracket, the cell reference or the number, comma, then power. As we are finding the square root, so power will be 1 by 2. Bracket close and enter. Once again you have got your square root, all thanks to the power of Excel. This you can drag it down to get the square root of other numbers. Third method is using caret operator. So enter the number or the cell reference followed by the symbol caret, which you will find in your keyboard under number 6. And then within the bracket write 1 by 2, then press enter. You have got the square root. And this you can drag it down for the other numbers as well. So these are the three unique methods to find square roots in Excel. Each approach offers its own advantages, so feel free to experiment and see which one fits your needs best.